Hey, my name is Gabby, and we here at TeraFlex want to make sure that you are having a wonderful...
Sorry, are you
Give me
talking
just
to
one
me?
second. Sorry, sir, I am not talking to you. You will definitely know when I'm talking to you. Give me just 1 second. Sorry about that. I can almost smell his breath through the phone.
I heard that.
Anyway, I wanted to talk to you wonderful people about TeraFlex's new hardtop handles.
You should call them love handles.
Sir, I told you to please hold. We're definitely not going to call them love handles. Gross. Anyway, for more information on our revolutionary product, here is my partner in crime. Thanks, Anthony. That's right. These attractive extruded aluminum handles make hardtop removal simple, safe, and fun. Like working here at TeraFlex.
Yes, sir. That should fit your application.
No, sir, we don't have any light bars.
-002.
With two-handed control, the top feels almost light as you and your friend lift your top safely and securely and then set it down on provided, paint-protected edge guards. The kit has everything you need: 4 sealed to the hardtop anodized handles, templates for install and hardware. You will love our hardtop handles.
I still think you should call them love handles.
Sorry, sir, but nobody cares what you think.